Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to on real-time network speed and how to use it. Friends, you want to on guys your phone real-time network speed setting. So friends, how to on and use real-time network speed on oppo phone device. In this video friends I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how to on and use real-time network speed. Friends, first open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click on your phone display. Oh sorry guys. First notification and status bar setting guys. Click here. Friends, you can see phone notification setting, manage notification, lock screen notification, apps notification guys. You can off from here. So friends, you can see battery percentage. Friends, you want to off your battery show percentage, you can off, and when you fill on your battery percentage will show. So friends, you can see second option real time network speed. So after guys, how to use real-time network speed. So guys, on your mobile data and once connect any Wi-Fi network you have, then guys you can check this real-time network speed settings. So guys, first we will connect Wi-Fi network. So I have connected already. So friends, you can see the network speed. You can check. And friends, if you off, so friends you cannot see your network speed. So friends, real-time network speed guys you want to on. So you can on after on guys your Wi-Fi network speed, your phone network speed will show on your status bar. So like that guys, you want to use you can on and you can use your real time network speed. Friends, you don't want to use, so click on guys search option real. Friends, you can see real time network speed guys, tap here, and friends you can off. After off we cannot see network speed you want, so you can on and you can use it. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to on and use real time network speed on your phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching.